Hey guys, welcome back to Yinzer Picker. Nice sunny, chilly day out here in Western Pennsylvania. Getting ready to head out to the Goodwill Bins and to the post office. I have a couple orders to ship that sold last night, so I'm gonna head down there, drop those off, and head over to the bins to see if I can find something. It's gonna be a quick trip though. I gotta get back and got some stuff to do around the house, so figured, hey, wife and kids are away, so why not head down there. We didn't go last week because we had some stuff going on, so we've actually been doing really well with our stuff from the bins. Everything that we've been getting has pretty much been selling, so figure I'd go down, just try to find a couple things and head back until they get home. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, the new logo, we just got that done this past week, so we're very happy with it. We do have stickers coming in, so I'm going to probably mention it in one of the other videos, but I'll probably mention it again. If you guys order something on eBay through us and say, hey, I follow or I watch your channel, I'll include a sticker in your order for you guys. So yeah, remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.